burlap type fill material. This is more burlap. I'm going to stay with the burlap and use this wider piece for the base of the bow. This is burlap too. We're going to do like a little fun bow here. I always kind of look at what I'm doing. See the difference? They complement each other. So we're going to wrap this. We're going to leave one tail because we want that to hang off. Remember what I said? You can't add to it once you cut it off, but you can always trim it down. So we're not going to cut this off, but we're going to loop this. Remember what I said about the loop? And I know I repeat myself a lot on that looping, but that was such a learning curve for me to not loop it. Then I want to make sure that you guys don't loop it. I want to make sure that's nice and long because I want a long tail on this. I'm going for a long tail. 2, 2. We're going to set this down. I want a little bit of foo-foo in there. Not too much, just 3 times is more than enough. This is going to give it some pop. I'm going to lay that on top, like so. I want to tie this all together. We're a little bit wider, and you'll see why in a moment. So we have this, and this, and this. So we have the ribbon, the netting, more ribbon. This is the same as the wide one, but it's skinnier. We're going to use that to accent it, like a center bling out pop piece. Have your base, your netting, a little accent, and a little pop. Remember what I said about make sure you have it centered. And I'm actually just going to go ahead and zip tie this one. I know a lot of times you'll see where I use the pipe cleaners. Today we're using how these are still nice and long. So what you want to do is find out how these are naturally, your tails are naturally going to lay, and then that's going to determine what's up and what's down. Fold it just to give it a little pop, and then when we put this onto our wreath form, we'll fluff this all out. Okay, and normally you would just, you could even just put that right into the wreath form like that. But because I made it so thick with all the different layers, I did this with the visual, what we're looking at. I'm pushing down on that right now just to let that glue grab it. It is fabrics, the heart's fabric, so it should grab it pretty well. I picked these little hearts up at Kohl's, actually.